In this video, you are going to see how to install the Google Keyboard on iPhones, followed by how to customize it and how to use it. So let's get started. Do note that all the Google Keyboard features that you can see on Android are not at all available on iPhone. You will only know this once you watch this full video. After installing the app from the Play Store, this is how the first screen looks. Here, click on Get Started. After that, select the first option, Enable Full Access, and then tap on Get Started again. After that, this menu opens. Here, select the keyboard section. Then enable Gboard as well as Allow Full Access. Now go back. Next, you can choose the languages and the keyboard type as you want. Next is keyboard settings. Here you can see a full list of options that you can enable or disable based on your preference. There are some other options as well, like themes, stickers, and more. Now, to change the keyboard, simply click on the globe icon on the bottom left corner. Now you can see a full list of available keyboards. From there, you can choose Gboard. It works pretty much the same as Android, but there are some features like clipboard and a few others that are missing. And that's it, guys. This is how you can install and use the Google Gboard on iPhones. Don't forget to like this video so that YouTube pushes this video to a lot of iPhone users, and also subscribe and click the bell icon to the side of it to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel.